Hello, today we will guide you through how to use new PNL Calendar on Axiom. To begin, open Axiom and go to the Discover page on the Solve view. This is the starting point for navigating to your portfolio tools, and it's where you'll access the updated PNL Calendar feature. If the page takes a moment to load, just wait until the main dashboard is fully visible so everything appears in the correct place. Once you're on the Discover page, look at the top area of the screen and click the arrow icon. This arrow opens the main navigation options and helps you move from the Discovery view into the account and portfolio sections. If you don't immediately see it, check the top navigation bar carefully, as it may be easy to overlook at first glance. After opening that menu, click on Portfolio. This will take you to the section where your holdings and performance data are organized. The portfolio area is where Axiom groups together the information you'll need to review your trading results and access more detailed tracking features. When the portfolio page opens, click on Spot. This is important because the P&L calendar you want to view is located within the Spot section. Make sure you're in the correct tab before continuing, especially if your portfolio includes multiple categories or account views. Next, find and click the option labeled View P&L Calendar. This will open the new P&L Calendar interface, where you can review profit and loss information in a calendar-style layout. This view can make it easier to understand performance over time, since it presents results by date rather than only in a list or summary format. With the calendar open, click on a date to select it. Choosing a specific date allows you to focus on the results for that day. This is especially helpful when you want to review trading activity from a particular session, compare daily outcomes, or check how your performance changed over time. Take your time here and make sure the date I want is clearly selected before moving on. Finally, click on USD to change the display setting. This lets you adjust how the values are shown, which can be useful if you want to view the data in a different format or measurement. After switching it, give the interface a moment to update so you can confirm the new display is applied correctly. And that's it. You've successfully opened the new P&L calendar on Axiom, selected a date, and changed the value display. As a quick tip, if something doesn't appear right away, refreshing the page or rechecking that you're still in the Spot portfolio view can help keep everything on track.